Hi and welcome to Outdoor Training. One of the mulch mowers we have been testing is the Stiga Multiclip Pro 950 SXEA. First impression of this product was very good. We had to do some improvements from the beginning, but that you will see later in this video. It has a very easy accessible battery cover with two batteries, clear indication, good charger. With two batteries, let's say 4 batteries, one charger, you can work a full day cutting grass as a landscaper, greenkeeper, without any problems. Also, the battery is pretty heavy. It's about 7.5 amp hours. The platform is also 43.2 volts. What gives to this engine a very good power output. What I have noticed is that high grass, low grass, all types of grass, wheat, the engine keeps running, and mainly due to the 2.2 kilowatt engine that's installed underneath. It has a main switch under here. When you put it in the car or store it for a longer time, you just switch it off and nothing can happen. Nobody can activate. Regarding the wheels, very satisfied with the wheels. Also the small grass brushes on the rear wheels, what keeps the wheels always clean. It gives a good grip. Also a better cutting result. Also makes the lawnmower at the end a little bit less heavier with all the clippings around. The height is adjustable, so it's one center adjustment. That makes it easier to adjust for the user. What is more, the steering handle you can set with just simple knob. You release it and then you can turn it, and this comes in handy when you need to work along a wall, a fence, even a hedge, to stay away as a user from the edge without getting any injuries or getting stuck with any of the controls. So this is a very good feature. The only thing I think would be better, it's just a matter of being used to the product, is that it only has 3 steps. So it has one to the right, one center and one to the left. As I mentioned before, the power output of this machine is equal to a petrol lawnmower, so it's a very good choice to move from petrol to battery. I will do it anyway because I'm very convinced this is a good solution to keep working a full day without any stops, if you have enough batteries and a charger and a place where you can charge your machine. When it comes to the controls, the only thing that was for me a little bit awkward or maybe room for improvement is these handles. So when transporting, they might clip out. So they might clip out and then it doesn't work accordingly, so they need to be installed properly. The display, it has an on and off button. Has the eco function that you will reduce the engine speed and extend the autonomy of the machine. Traction control, I've been not using this most of the time because it was easier to move around compared to the traction. It's a little bit slower, so for me it's a nice thing to have, but not very much used. And another thing, what I found a little bit difficult is the balance of the machine. Due to the heavy batteries in the front, so the center of gravity or finding easy a balance to lift the machine and turn around is very difficult. So it might be an option to switch the position or to turn 180 degrees the engine or the engine hood over there. So the weight comes more to the rear wheels, so the balance of the machine is better. Towards controlling the machine, when you go to tip heel, and that means when you arrive here and you want to turn, it has a very steady point where you can turn around with the machine. Another good thing about this machine is that the cables are blocked in some kind of guiding, which reduces the risk that you get stuck behind branches or any other types of work or any other types of obstructions or objects. So this machine is performing very good towards durability, towards cutting result, towards ergonomics. The only thing I would recommend to Stiga for the professional product is that they find a better balance for the machine, so maybe move the weight closer to the center so it's easier to control and to turn with the machine. And one very important thing is, because in the beginning I was struggling a little bit with this machine, the result was very poor, but it was mainly because the blade that was coming from factory, assembled from factory, was dull. It has a flat edge on the blade, so the result, wet, dry, didn't matter, low grass, high grass, the result was always bad. So after sharpening the blade and balancing the blade, this was so far the best unit I've been testing.